दोस्तों दिस इज ओपेश सिंह और अभी मैं हूँ जिम्बाब्वे हरारे विद जेराल. Say hi to our friends.
Hi guys, how are you? Are you doing good?
We are doing good. We are also doing good.
Yes. We are in Harare, Zimbabwe, the best African country in the SADC region.
Great. I'm agree with you.
And we are saying, guys, India, you are our family. Come and let's invest in this beautiful country. It's a country with everything from tourism, investment opportunities, and even a home. So guys, we are saying come and let's invest in Zimbabwe. Come and let's tap this untapped country and make sure value comes out of it, benefiting you. Making money, making more sense.
I like his dialogue that making money making more sense. So, my dear friends, ready to make money, start your billion-dollar empire. All world is waiting for you. Come and invest in Zimbabwe and earn with our Zimbabwean friends. Grow together in Zimbabwe, India. So, अभी तो मैं दोस्तों जिम्बाब्वे में हूँ, ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ में हूँ with Gerald and marvelous man. You know, marvelous man is there. And we all three, we are enjoying. We just come after from our lunch and now we are going to play something in playing place. तो आप भी स्टार्ट करें आपके बेहतरीन बिजनेस. वेरी गुड प्लेस, बेस्ट प्लेस टू स्टार्ट योर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, योर माइनिंग बिजनेस. जिम्बाब्वे वन ऑफ द गुड कंट्री. रूमर्स पे ध्यान ना दें. ग्राउंड रियलिटी अलग है, रूमर्स अलग होते हैं. ग्राउंड रियलिटी कहती है जिम्बाब्वे वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस. पॉलिसीज अच्छी हैं, लोग अच्छे हैं, ऑल आर गुड पीपल. यू कैन एंजॉय. नो सेफ्टी प्रॉब्लम, नो सिक्योरिटी इशू. Just come, invest, enjoy and make billions. I'm always with you guys.